Okay, let's try something different.
Hey guys, Nick Riley back at you with another video, and in this video, it's episode 3. So, we're trying to see if there is some tin armor. No. So, let's just start where we were last episode. So, we were here. What's that noise? We can find some lapis. Lapis and booze. We have to find a cave. I'm gonna go make all the stuff we need and then go in a cave because there's a better chance of finding some lapis in a ravine or a cave. So, just making our way back up. We can let's smelt this tin. Cooked tofu, something like that. So let's go tin ingot. This actually looks cool, I don't know why. Let's go upstairs and get some of our wood, because I think that would be really, really helpful to make some more stuff. I want to see if we can make some. Let me search up armor. Well, let's look to see if there's any armor. Ooh, double doors. Okay. What else? I really want to make some of these. What is this? Is scythe? Key. Oh, world. Ooh, some muddy. How do you get mud? Okay. Any other armor? Wadding boots. Let's look up chest plate. Wizard chest, 4 diamond chest plate. How do you make this? Chest plate. So, steel chest plate. We have steel, I think. Let's see if we can go to bed. So, no, let's just. Did we get the wood? I'm totally lost. Where's our wood? I guess let's go get some wood. Let me see if this hammer can work. Tin. No, we have tin. So let's see if this hammer would work. Let's hurry up and see if we can get this. I guess not. How do you make an unlit candle lit? No, give me that back. an unlit candle. Did that make it lit? Dang it. Do I have to like click on it now? Don't understand. Do you have to add coal to it? Reinforced door. Do I get more when I do it? No, I'm just gonna do a crafting table and just, oh, let's go to red. Nighttime. Nighty night night. Night. Yep, they're burning. Bad zombies. Burn. So, get our wood. Sticks. What were we gonna make? Oh yeah, we're gonna make some more of our stuff. Some pickaxes. Let's see if you can make cobblestone armor. No? No, okay. I guess not. So, I think we're ready. Let's go out and find a cave that we want to explore. I think I found one. Thanks, I guess. Ouch, that hurt real bad. Let's get our torches in one of the main things, and then all of our pickaxes, and of course our sword. So let's just mine all this iron. We're used to iron, okay? We're not used to all this other exotic stuff. Hopefully I get enough. What is that? I hear something. I think, what is that? Is that marble down in the cave? Yeah, marble. Let's see other stuff. What is this? Rose gold. I always wanted to see rose gold. Let's just stay here and mine this rose gold. I don't think I'm allowed to get it with this. I think I can get it with like a diamond pickaxe. Oh my god, I'm poisoned, guys. Oh my god, I'm gonna die, guys. Die. Oh my god, no. Oh my god. I just died, guys. My bed was missing or obstructed. What? It wasn't missing or obstructed. Come on. Oh, over here. all the iron? I'm gonna go put this stuff back in the chest so we don't lose it again. That was scary. My heart was beating. I have a thing in my shoulder. You have to always be prepared, guys. Always. I hear the zombie. I hear a zombie, but I don't know where it is. I almost fell. That was a bad idea. I don't even know what I was doing. I don't know why I did it. I just don't know. We have to obviously go back there and find our stuff. We can't just leave it. So we need to look in our chest. That was scary, guys. Never do what I just did. I smell something. I'm gonna run far, far away. We need to make another chest. Oops, I left my door open. So let's just put our right here. Put all of it in here. I don't care what it is. I'm gonna eat this. That was actually scary. How do you make a shield? Shield. Wood and iron ingot. We have none of that, so let's just go back in that horrifying cave and get our stuff back. I was doing fine until bam. I'm just going in circles. Okay. So let's get out of here before anything else happens. We're never going in here again. Super scared. That looks so scary. I never want to do that again. That's like so scary. Never, ever, ever, unless it's an emergency. Get me out of this dumb cave. We have to find a different cave that's more nice and friendly. Whew. Oops, no, don't go back there. Let's go to bed, because that's what we want to do, right? Whew, we're home. Nice home. So when I wake up, I'm going to actually end this video. So hope you guys like this video so much. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more series like this. Bye.